Greetings of the day. Welcome to all in Sri Vidya Mandal Institute of Technology Family Bharuch. Myself, Dr. Kruti Dangarwala, Head of CSC and IT Department, going to present a webinar on how to choose engineering branch and institute. What is the engineering? What scope does engineering have? So engineering is applications of science and mathematics to solve the problem. Engineers figure out how things work and find out the practical solutions for that. Engineers contribute considerably to the quality of the life in the society, creating new innovative things just by their different way of thinking from common men with hard work, dedications, and skill. During the engineering design process, the responsibility of engineers may include defining the problems, conducting and narrowing the research, analyzing the criteria, finding and analyzing the solutions and make the decisions. Much of the engineer's time is spent on researching, locating, applying and transferring the information. Why students should choose engineering? Potential benefit to society, variety of the career opportunities, intellectual development, technological and scientific discovery, and financial security. Now there are more than 40-degree engineering courses are available. Some of them I will highlight here. Chemical engineering, computer engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, information technology, and civil engineering. Now, what is a chemical engineering? So, as we wake up, we smile with glowing the teeth. So, chemical engineers involved in process of making the toothpaste. Now, when you travel with your own vehicle, so fuel processing is the work of the chemical engineers. When you watch LCD TV, so colorful ink will be produced by the chemical engineers. So chemical engineers are responsible for conception, design and operation of the process for the production, transformations and transportations of the materials. Now, various domains of the chemical industries are there. Petrochemical, agrochemicals, pharmaceutical, paint and dye, organic and inorganic chemical, fine and specialties chemicals. Now, chemical engineers have wide scope ahead of that. They can work as a design engineer, process engineer, project manager, CEO, environmental engineer, research and development engineer, etc. He can be the entrepreneur by owning his own industry. Now, what is the mechanical engineering? Mechanical engineering is an applied science discipline that apply the engineering physics, engineering mathematics, and material science principles to design, analyze, manufacture, and maintain the mechanical system. It is one of the most ancient and broadest of engineering discipline. Main domains of mechanical engineering are design, productions, and thermal. Now, the emerging trades in mechanical engineering are electrical vehicles, renewable energy, robotics, 3D printing, and interconnected machines. Mechanical engineers have wide scope of the job career. They can work with various industries of manufacturing, steel, glass, chemical, power and energy, cement, textile and clothing, then development engineer, etc. Independently, he can be an entrepreneur by owning his own industry. Now, what is electrical engineering? Can you imagine your life without electricity? No. It is only because of the electrical engineers. Electricity is like the soul, which we really don't know what it is, but it is a force that can light the room to drive the electrical vehicle. Electrical engineering is a field of engineering that generally deal with the study and applications of electricity, electronics, and instrumentations. Now, various domains of electrical engineers are power, signal processing, instrumentations, microelectronics, electronics, control, computer, and many more. Electrical engineers have wide variety of the job options. They can go with various industries of telecommunications, energy and electrical power, semiconductor, bioengineering, transportations, and automotive and computer also. Now, the computer engineering and information technology. So can you imagine your life without digital world? Can you imagine without Facebook, mobile, WhatsApp, online shopping, online learning, Instagram, Twitter, etc.? Industries are fully automated today due to the IT infrastructure and computing machines. Now everyone have the confusion with computer engineering, computer science and engineering and information technology branches. There is no difference as per curriculum and the job opportunity for these branches. So you can choose anyone. Various domains of computer engineering are system programming and development, game development and animations, virtual and augmented reality, Internet of Things, cloud computing, big data, data science, database administrations, network administrator, etc. Based on this domain, there are wide career options available for them. Some of them are software engineers, data scientists, data analyst, computer network engineer, blockchain developer, information security analyst, computer system analyst, machine learning engineer, etc. They can become entrepreneur to develop their own software companies. Now, what is this civil engineering? Civil engineering designing of public infrastructure which increase prosperity due to the civil engineers. Civil engineers can design, build, and maintain the roads, bridges, canal, dam, airport, sewerage system, pipeline, structure component, railway, and many more. Now, various domains of civil engineering are there: transportations, construction, municipal, structural, environmental, water resource, municipal, coastal, serving, and many more. Based on this domain, there are the wide career options available for them. Some of them are project department, billing department, planning department, tendering department, quality, structural, quantity survey, etc. You can become entrepreneur by developing your own construction business. Now I introduce our institute, Srishad Vidya Mandal Institute of Technologies, Bharuch, Gujarat, which is affiliated to Gujarat Technological University. Our website svmit.ac.in. Now introduce our Srishad Vidya Mandal Trust. SVM Trust is established in 1954 as a result of inspiration and blessing of Swami Sri Atulananji. Now, under this SVM Trust, there are five institutes are there: Arts and Commerce, Science, Law, Engineering, and Computer Applications. Also, they manage the higher secondary English medium school for science stream. The Rishad Vidyaman Institute of Technology Engineering College is established in 1996. SMIT is one of the oldest self-financing institute of Gujarat. Now, SMIT College offers various engineering courses: chemical engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and engineering, and information technologies. Now, what are the reasons to choose the SVMIT? So, SVMIT have the experienced faculty members. SVMIT is proud to have the blend of highly trained and experienced faculties. Most of our faculties have completed their doctorate and masters from the Premium Institute. Now, institute have collaborations with many industries and motivate the students to do the real-time projects. For that, many industry tours are arranged in every semester to visit the companies like GNFC, UPL, BSNL, Torrent Power, Reliance, Rishabh Software, and many more. Now, international certified professional courses and skill development courses are offered by the institute other than curriculum to enhance their skill and knowledge. So, mechanical engineering, they have the five different certified courses: boiler engineering and maintenance, CAD, mechanical maintenance for industry, design and maintenance. Chemical engineering also have the four different courses: corrosion inspection maintenance technique, design of ATP for zero discharge, process design, chemistry for industry. Civil engineering have the project costing and tendering, structure design using this type pro, construction project management, AutoCAD for civil engineering. Electrical engineers have the electrical system design for building industry, industrial automations, electrical motor and drive, industrial electrical maintenance and safety provision. Computer engineering and IT, Red Hat certified system administrator, cyber security associate, Cisco certified DevNet associate, Cisco certified network associate, foundation course in Blue Prism. Now the SMIT have the club for technical skill enhancement for the students. So we have this five different clubs will be there. So GIC club, that is G2 Innovation Council Club. GIC has been designed to establish the close bonding between the industry, entrepreneur, and students to make the research and development at the university relevant to the needs of industry at national and international level. There are many activities occur under the GIC, project and design fair, conquest, patent drafting workshop, industrial tour, and many more. Now we have the SSIP club, that is the Startup Innovations Policy Club. Government of Gujarat has developed a policy for providing assistance to startup and innovations. Our student receives many SSIP grant for the startup. Now we have the entrepreneurship club which train and motivate the students to incubate their business idea. Under this club, we arrange the expert talk from the industry and the workshop for that. Many of our students work as entrepreneur. Now, OSTC Club, Open Source Technologies Club. So this is a club with a collaborations with the IIT Bombay, and this is the club. It is used to develop the soft skill for all branches of engineering. Under this club, various software languages like C, C++, LaTeX, Pythons are taught to the students. Now, the IICHE Club, Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers. Under this club, there are many activities that will be done. That is the students' CamCon, students' merit award, quiz, expert evening, talk. Now, our institute have well-equipped laboratory with excellent competitions facilities. Chemical engineers have the 7 laboratories now. Mechanical engineering have 8 laboratories. Electrical engineering have the 7 laboratories. Civil engineering, computer science and engineering, and information technologies have the 6 laboratories, and civil engineering have the 8 laboratories will be there. We have furnished computerized library with sitting capacity about the 300 students. Online resources available to cover more than 1,000 international journals. Now we have the sports and gymnasium facilities. We have the hostel facility with the dining halls. Now our recruiters are the Solvay, GNFC, eInfochip, Hubek, Torrent Power, Rishabh Software, Grassy, Microtech, and many more. And our students each and every year, our students are placed with well-known industries after their graduations. So thank you very much, and let us join with the Svmit family. Once again, thank you.